Investors and tech buyers in the UK and USA aren't just looking at your product features, they are judging your entire operational standard based on your presentation's aesthetic. What's up, tech innovators? Let's break down the exact method for constructing an elite pitch deck or software feature presentation in Canva tailored for venture capitalists and premium tech buyers. Start by opening a presentation canvas and selecting a sleek, tech-forward aesthetic. Use dark mode layouts with crisp contrasting text, or clean white backgrounds with ample empty space. High RPM tech audiences respond best to precise, structured visuals, so avoid decorative illustrations.